Welcome to the reasoning series of lectures. We have already started. We have completed number series of lecture 1 and also lecture 2, and in this video we are going to see analogy part of reasoning. See friends, we are uploading day by day one or other video on reasoning. So if you follow our videos, you will be covered with all the topics and all the techniques, and no need to study any other source. Of course, you have to practice from one or other test series. See friends, if you come to analogy, what is analogy? Analogy is given, it is said that blank is to blank as blank is to blank, or if A is to B as C is to dash. B comes after A. In the same way, D comes after C, friends. Okay. So there are many types of analogy, and the first type is letter series analogy, and second one is number series analogy, third one is vocabulary based analogy, and fourth one is facts based or knowledge based analogy. What is letter series analogy? Letter series analogy is nothing but alphabets from A to Z, that is 1 to 26. We consider it in the form of numbers, and all the number series techniques are applied on these alphabets. All the number series technique. If you want to know all the methods and techniques of number series, please go to our channel and watch the videos of number series lecture 1 and lecture 2. Okay friends, if this number series technique are applied in this format, that is blank is to blank as blank is to blank, in this any three are given and one will be left blank, friends. So this format will be answered in number based analogy by using number series technique. If these numbers are replaced by alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, then it is called letter series analogy. What is vocabulary based analogy? Vocabulary based analogy is nothing but synonyms and antonyms, friends. Next is facts based analogy or knowledge based analogy. In letter based analogy, we have to write before the start of the exam. You will be given with the rough sheets, friends. In that rough sheets, you have to write it down this format of alphabets and numbers, friends. It will be very useful, or it will be better to remember alphabet and corresponding number, or weight. We will say weightage, friends. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. From M, below M, you start N in the reverse order. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Whenever you write alphabets against the numbers, it's always better, and this is the technique which I have developed, friends. I have not copied from anywhere. See friends, this is very useful to solving the questions which are very difficult if you write in the normal format. See friends, A, B, C, D, F, G, H up to M, here N to Z in the reverse order, and the numbers are correspondingly written. See, if the question comes ADHM is to ZWSN, and we don't get any order from here. The only order we get is A is the first number and Z is the last number, that is 26, and D is 4. From backside we have to count Z, Y, X, W, 23. By the way, if the numbers increases from back, it should decrease, friends. So if you write in this order, directly we can link. For A it is Z, for A it is Z, for D it is W, for H it is S, for M it is N. The same way for C we get X, for F it is U, for J it is Q, and for O it is L. The same way, the second question also, for A it is Z, F it is U, K it is for P, P it is for K, and B it is for Y, and G it is for T, and L it is for for Q it is J, friends. It is better to by heart these combinations, friends. It is like, AZ you can remember like Aurangzeb, BY for boy, and CX for some cat X, or DW, EV, FU, GT, HS, IR, JQ, KP, PK, or LO, or MN. If you remember these combinations, you will get a direct question. You have very big probability, or most of the questions I have written in the exam, friends, this method. So it is always to write in this manner. See, friends, if it is easy for you to go with the alphabets, it's easy. Or if you want to number these things, okay, you can go do like that. But it's better to see if it is directly possible. Here it is B, friends. Here it is E. The difference is 3. B, CD was left and E was written. O, PQ is left, R is written. Q, RS is left, T is written. D, EF is left, G is written. In the same way, A, BC I will leave, I will write D. N, OP is left, I will write PQ. P, I will leave PQ, or I will leave, and S I will write C, D, E, F. Okay, friends, and E, there is no gap, and E it is after F. G, H was left, G, H, I, J, K, L. It is increasing, friends. The difference is increasing from K, L, M, N, and it is O. Can you see, friends? For the first letter, E to F, nothing is left. From G to I, one letter is left. In the same manner, in the same fashion, I will write after F, G will be coming. After H, I will leave 1. H, I, J. J, K, L, M. L, M, and O, I will leave. P, I will write. See, friends, every time it will not be like this set is related to this set. Here in this question, this set is related to this set, friends. See, you can't form any relation between A, C, E, G and N, P, R, T. It is way far away from A, C, E, G. If you see this set and this set, see, friends, A it is like A only. C, the next letter is of C is D. E, F is left, F, G is here. G, H, I is left, and J is here. In the same way, I will write from N, I will write N as it is, because A is written as it is here. And for P, I will write the next letter, P, Q. For R, S I will leave, and I will write T. For T, I will leave 2. T, U, I will leave. U, V I will leave. W I will write, friends. So for this letter series, it is always better to write the answer first, know the sequence, write the answer, then see the option and keep the right option, friends. In number based analogy, we can see there are some problems we are going to solve. See, 6 is to 18 as 4 is to dash. There are some options which is given in the bracket 2, 6, 9, 16. See, friends, what is the relation? First we have to see what is the relation between this blank and this blank. That is 6 is to 18. That is 3 times of 6 is 18 and 3 times of 4 is 12. Is 12 is there in the options? No. So that is not the logic. 6 to 12. If we add 12 to 6, we will get 18. In the same way, if we add 12 to 4, we will get 16, and it is the answer here. If you see here, 5 is to 36 as 6 is to blank, and the answers are in double digit 48, 50, 49, 56, friends. Okay, from 5 we can't get 36, but 5 plus 1 whole square, that is 6 square, is 36. In the same way, we are going to add 1 to the 6, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7 square, which is 49. We can see here in the options. See, friends, the third question. 456 is to 15 as 789 is to dash. Here you have to observe that this is in 3-digit number and 15 is 2-digit number. In the same way, the options are given in 2-digit number. As soon as I've said in the earlier class too, that as soon as we see a bigger number, we tend to panic, but it's not at all required. See, friends, 4, 5, 6, how it is corresponds to 15. It's nothing but adding 4 plus 5 plus 6, we get 15. See, whenever you get a big number and a very small number, you just better add those numbers and see that are you getting this number, or add first 2 numbers and subtract the third number. It might also work. In the same way, I am going to add 7, 8. 7 plus 8, that is 15. 15 plus 9, that is 24. 24 is in the options and it is the right answer. And if I see here, fourth question, 1 to 22. 122 is to 170 is same as 290 is to something else, we don't know. See, if we see here 122, 170, 290, these all are very near to the square of the numbers. That is 11 square is 121 plus 1 we will get 122, and 170 I can say it is 169. 13 square is 169 and plus 1 we will get 170. And if we take 290, 289 is given by 17 square, and if we add 1 we will get 290. Okay, friends, I have known that it is nearby 17 square, it is 13 square, it is very near to 13 square, and it is very near to 11 square. What is the difference between 11 and 12? It is 2 terms. The same way I am going to add 2 for this 17, which is nothing but 19 square, that is 361, plus 1 I am going to add as the trend follows in this way. So I am going to write 362, which is the answer. And another big number problem, that is 3265 is to 4376. So what is the relation? See, if you see digit place to digit place, 5 units digit place, and it is 6 here unit digit place, and the difference is 1, or it is incremented by 1. The same way 6 to 7, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, it's nothing but every digit is incremented by 1. In the same way, I am going to increment this number 46732 5784, which is the answer. If you see here, the sixth question, 42, 56, 72. See, 42 is nothing but 6 sevens are, and 56 is 7 eights are, and 8 nines are 72. In the same way, 9 tens are, I am going to write it in 90. And there is another question, 1 is to 8 is same as blank is to 64. See, if you see this question, see friends, there is no need to have a relation. It is in the cube of numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and 4 cube is 64. At times you may also get these kind of answers where this is to and as to doesn't give an importance in this series. It is directly a number series question. So I have covered almost all the types of number series based analogy questions. Okay friends. In vocabulary based analogy, there are many subdivisions within the vocabulary based analogy. The first one is part is to whole. Part is nothing but, for example, in the whole thing, there is one part in the whole thing. For example, we can say that a mouse in desktop computer, a mouse to desktop computer is same as a stylus in mobile phone. Stylus in mobile phone. The same way, a type is to category. One type to one category. If you take orange, orange is a fruit, belongs to citrus category, and the other division is degrees of intensity. See friends, if the intensity is less, it is called one type, and it is more, it is called other. Suppose amusement to hilarious. A tool to function. If you take hammer, hammer is to break something. The same way, knife is to cut something. A symbol to representation, friends. If you take a symbol like dove, for dove, the international representation for dove is pigeon, kind of pigeon, and it is for peace, friends. And another category, that is another category which we will find is masculine, feminine, gender, friends. See, if you take for male, it is female. If you take an animal like lion, and it is called, the feminine of lion is called lioness. The same way for tiger, tigress. For peacock, it is peahen, friends. The same way, if you take parent and child, and you have many categories. For dog, it is called, the child of dog is called, baby of is called pup. For cat, it is called kitten, friends, kitten. In the same way, you have to learn much of these vocabularies, friends. In the same way, for animal, if it is single, it is called in one name. If it is in group, it is called in another name. If you have sheep, if you have one sheep, it is called sheep. In group, it is called herd or flock. There are very unique names for the group of animals, friends. I will explain you now. If you see, you have to learn this group of animals, friends. See, if you have fish, the group of fishes is called school. How unique is this? See, friends, if you have penguin, a group of penguin is called colony. A group of owl. A group of owl is called parliament, friends. Parliament, yes. And group of camels is called caravan. The same way, there are unique names for everything, friends. Okay, and another kind of analogy that you will get is synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, if you take, friends, a name is given and for that the meaning is given. In the same way, a name is given, for that you have to write the meaning. In the same way, if this relation is opposite, then this relation will becomes opposite, friends. For example, liberal. Liberal is for generous. And tardy. Tardy is for what? See, friends, liberal and generous are synonyms. Synonyms. For tardy, it is like, tardy is something like you are delaying something. Any work which is delayed is that behavior is called tardy, friends. Within the options, you have to take the nearest answer for late or delay, friends. These liberal and generous are synonym in nature, so we have to take there will be also the answer in the options. There will be quick or early, late. In that way, you have to pick the synonym, friends, and not the antonym. And if we take subject and studies, there are many big list of subject and studies, friends. A study of plants. Plants is called botany, and study of animals is called zoology. In the same way, study of heart is called cardiology, and for skin it is called dermatology. For nervous system it is called neurology. This way we have many names, friends. For liver, study of liver is called hepatology. Okay, friends, I will give you the list of studies and its logis, what we can say are studies. Okay, friends, and not synonyms and antonyms, you can find it, but I will give this masculine, feminine, or male and female in animals, and parent child, animals and its groups, and subject and studies. I will give all these 4 PDFs. I will post it in Telegram, friends. Telegram. So please download Telegram and join the group. How to find? You go to find and just type @ and type RRB JE or SSC JE 2019, and there will be a group appearing on this name. You can join this group. I will be uploading tomorrow all these PDFs for vocabulary based analogy, friends. Fact based analogy. In fact based analogy, you may get national and its capitals. For example, you may get New Delhi is for India, then dash is for Kenya. It is the capital of India is New Delhi. The same way, for capital of Kenya is Nairobi, friends. Nairobi. Something like that you will get, friends. States and its capital, scientists and their inventions, and miscellaneous topics, anything. If, for example, I may take like iron. If it is to Fe, then silver is to dash. See, friends, the iron is called ferrous and its symbol is Fe. In the same way, for silver is called argentium and its symbol is AG, friends. Same way in miscellaneous topics, for whatever you learn in physics, chemistry, biology, and social geography, sciences, and everything belongs to that facts is asked in the form of analogy in the reasoning session. So you need to have a broad and wide knowledge, not a deep, friends. Not deep knowledge, but wide knowledge is required for this. Okay, friends, if once you go through any test series, if you take any test series, then you will get familiarized with that. I will also upload the PDFs on national capital, science, scientists and inventions, states and capitals by tomorrow in our Telegram channel. Please don't forget to join our group. Our group, you can go to find, and you can type like R small r B RRB JE SSC JE 2019, friends, and there you will get Sunil Engineering Academy. Then if you join in this group, you will be getting all the PDFs for analogy. If you have benefited from this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload the video, you will get the notifications, friends. Please don't skip any video, friends. We have already completed physics, we have completed arithmetic session, quant session, friends. All the RRB previous year questions have been discussed there, and I have started now biology and reasoning. This is the third video, and we will be completing within the end of February, friends. Thank you.